A long time ago, in a distant place, there was a magical forest. There are all kinds of strange plants and animals in this forest, but the most eye-catching thing is a huge, vibrant, magical tree. In this magical forest, there lives a naughty little monkey. His name is Yoyo. Yoyo is the most curious and lively monkey in the forest, always full of endless curiosity about magic and miracles. One day, Yoyo decided to embark on an adventure and explore the depths of the magical forest. He jumped through the colorful flowers, crossed the gurgling stream, and came to the magic tree. The magic tree is tall and ancient. Its trunk is inlaid with sparkling gems, each one emitting a charming light. Yoyo was very curious about these gems. Suddenly, he saw a unique gem, which emitted a brighter light than the others. The little monkey stretched out his paw curiously and touched the gem gently, and the magic tree suddenly emitted a burst of mysterious light. The flowers and plants in the forest also began to dance, and the birds sang happily. This gem turns out to be the heartstone of the magic tree, which protects the harmony and peace of the entire magic forest. You suddenly understood that the secret of this magic tree was not hidden in the charming gems, but the respect and protection of nature that existed in the hearts of every living being. From that day on, Yoyo became more sensible and caring, and he and other animals guarded this magical forest. Whenever someone is lost in the forest, they will always get help from Yoyo and other friends, because they know that only by living in harmony can the magic forest be always full of vitality. This story teaches us to cherish the beauty of nature, protect the environment we live in, and that everyone has a responsibility to protect nature.